Hi, it's Neil. Welcome to my kitchen. And if you saw my last video, you saw I did a video of this, the waffle maker Mickey Mouse one. And this was my first iteration of it. It kind of, I didn't put enough waffle in there, but it turned out really cool. You like my Mickey Mouse plates there. And so that's it. So now also, the next thing I have here is a Mickey Mouse cake pop maker. And so this one here, I got this one as well because it was like a 2-pack kind of thing where you could buy both of them at the same time. So we're gonna check this out and see what it's like to make a cake pop. I have no idea, I've never made a cake pop before. So we're gonna see what it even is. So let's take it out. I'm guessing it's a similar apparatus as that last thing, but it comes with some more stuff. So that's an empty box there. And this and this. And this is cool, it's red, which is my favorite color. And it looks very similar kind of concept as the other thing here. I'll show you that for a sec. It's still hot, but you can see you got that Mickey Mouse one in there and that Mickey Mouse one there. And then you open it up, one just has a plate for Mickey Mouse heads and one has the cake pop things. So that one's hot. So here we are, and I'm gonna see how to make this one here. See if there's any. So it comes with a little piping tip, I guess, so you can put some frosting on it if you desire. It comes with a bunch of sticks, so these are like, I guess, cake pop sticks. And then the instructions, which I'm guessing are gonna be similar to that last one, where we plug it in. And then I think the light did end up going off, so you plug it in until the light goes off. So the light's on now, so you know that it's heating. And then when the light shuts off, it will be ready. And I don't have any cake mix currently, so I'm gonna just use my waffle mix, the same mix I used to make this thing here. So we're gonna see how it is, and I'm not even gonna bother putting a stick in it right now because these ones here, I haven't cleaned it or anything like that, so I'm not gonna eat the first batch. But you can see here, the instructions look very similar to the other stuff here. As far as it, you just wait for it to heat up with the light, and then you put some nonstick spray and let it cook. So the last one took about 3 minutes to heat up or so, so I'm not sure how long this one will take. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description. I'll also put a link to the waffle maker and my video for doing the waffle maker on there as well, so you can see my review of it as well as pick one of those up or pick up the combo deal with both of them like I did. So let's see here. Where's my nonstick spray? So I have just some random butter flavored nonstick spray, and let's see, it's definitely getting hot. And I'm sure I sprayed way too much of that stuff in there. Ooh, it smells like spray. And my table's gonna be all nice and greasy. Okay, so there we go. So here, let's see, do we wanna put it in now? Think it's hot? That's a good question. I think last time I waited almost 3 minutes, but it definitely hasn't been that long now. It's only been maybe a minute and a half or so, but we're gonna do it anyways just because for sake of time and because I don't like to edit videos or time lapse or anything like that necessarily when I'm just doing an unboxing, so you're gonna see it the first time I'm seeing it. So we're both making our first cake pop at the same time together. So let's put it in here, and that's probably way too much, as is that, and that. And that, so let's see, let's push it into the ears a little bit. Okay, well that definitely made a bit of a mess because, I don't know, it didn't leak out on that side, but it leaked out on this side a little bit. You can kind of see where I squished it. But here we go, so now we're just gonna let it cook for a minute and we'll see what happens. The light didn't go off on the other one. I think it went off once it reached temperature. So this one may be a little undercooked or something like that, but we'll just see what these heads look like. I really was impressed with how this one turned out, even though, it's not complete because I didn't put enough batter in. And also the batter I used, that was a thing too, is I used this random generic pancake and waffle mix, but as far as like for doing the waffles, it says to put in an egg and vegetable oil, and I didn't put in either of those. All I did was put in this mix and water. And so if you just want this mix in water or waffle or something like that, it tastes good. I mean, I've done it before like that, making waffles. So it is what it is. So we're gonna see how this goes here. I guess if I had put the sticks in there, I'm not sure where they go. I guess they just kind of, I think you probably wait till it's done and you just jam it in the bottom of it before you frost it. So I could probably read the instructions and find out, but who knows. So again, I'm just going to put a link to this in the description. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel because I do all sorts of fun reviews of items and things so you guys can see some other stuff. There's other Mickey Mouse things if you're into that, and other waffle makers as well. So be sure to subscribe and like this video too, so people know you like it, and it'll help increase my ranking, which I'm trying to do at the time. So here we go. So the light's out, so that means it had reached temperature. So this is probably going to be an undercooked cake pop, but we're going to check it out anyway and see how it looks. So I guess I'll unplug it here. Well, it's done enough. So we're going to take it out so you can see what it looks like there, and then dump it out. And this is going to be ridiculously hot, I'm sure. Actually, not too bad, but see, there we go. Let me peel it off. And so this is what the cake pop head looks like. So it actually looks pretty cool. And then you would just stick the stick in the bottom, which is kind of flat. And you can see it's about, maybe like an inch across. They're not too huge. For that one, here's another one here. There's a lot of extra goop because I poured way too much in there. I think this one's bigger. I think I have different size ones. I'll bring it up to the camera here in a second. And this one here had a little ear problem. So you can kind of see here. So this one ended up pretty good. I mean, I didn't have an ear problem, but you saw how quick I did this thing, so don't knock it too much. But you see there's one there. The backs are pretty well cooked as well. I mean, it's a cooked thing, even for the short time I did it. Probably would want to cook it a lot longer like you would normally, but I was just doing it for the video to see how they look, and they look pretty good to me. And then that was the waffle from the waffle maker, so that's it. And this is my cool Corel plates that have Mickey Mouse on them. So there we go, and this is the over pour where I had mixed up the stuff. So there you go, you get to see it, and this is the waffle maker, and I got pancake batter on myself now. So that's it, the Mickey Mouse one here. So I like it. So for me, I'm saying a total thumbs up. I'm gonna make a bunch of these things. I'm gonna probably make the cake pop thingies as just like when I'm making waffles and stuff, just to have a bunch of different variety of waffles and things and ways to eat them. It's just kind of a fun thing. So I don't know whether I'll use them all as cake pops or just for fun. So we'll see. Just fun stuff. So thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Take care, bye.